Have you ever considered the incredible power of your mind and how it could be the key to achieving your dream life? It's the concept of manifestation, a powerful force that can bring our deepest desires to reality. The power to manifest your dream life is within you. Harness this power now with a quick exercise. Close your eyes and imagine your dream life in vivid detail. Picture the triumphs and the joy, the accomplishment and the pride. Feel the exhilaration and fulfillment that comes with achieving your goals. It's not just about the end result, but the journey to get there. Don't be disheartened if the dream doesn't materialize instantly. Manifestation is a process, a consistent effort of visualization and belief. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Now that you've got the tools to start manifesting your dream life, what's the first habit you want to work on? Remember, small, manageable changes can lead to big transformations. Share your first step towards your dream life in the comments below. Unleash your power and start manifesting your dreams today.